Okay, updates. We are on day 8 or 9. I'm not sure. But we got the Appalachian walkabout to come and shuttle us down from Hiawassee down to Amicalola. So here we are at the visitor center. Daniel is delivering back the beer canister that we've been using. And it's kind of like strange to be back here after being on the trail. I feel it's like surreal to be back in civilization, you know, guys. It's like there must be some psychology to this somewhere that I don't know about, but yeah. Okay, so we're a little bit tired still a little bit dehydrated. But we're coming back. We're coming back to Alabama today. Sweet home Alabama, yay! So we will give more updates. Yes. Did you give it back?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
She said, "You survived." I said, "Yes, I did."
Yes, it did. Okay, so here we go. Hey, Daisy Moo. Did you miss us?
Yeah.
Hi, Chloe Blue. Chloe Blue. Hello. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Daisy Poo. Yes, babies. I know, baby Pooh. You want your hugging. I know. I know. Hi, Delilah. Who's a good mommy, huh? Did you get puppies? Is she a good girl? Is she a good girl? Yes. How are the puppies doing? They're so cute. I know, they're so cute. They're all over the place, aren't they? I know, she's such a good mommy. Hello, whiny butt. She's a good girl.